How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So glad each and every single one of you can make it. Today we're going to have a quick, really quick update on the Turtle Wax acrylic ceramic black wax that I applied on my Z28. I applied it on May 20th. Today is June 23rd. So let's see how it's doing. Well, here you go. Like I said, today's June 23rd. This was applied May 20th. Really nice tight bead steel. Really holding up. We just had a rainstorm come through. And I just wanted to show you how good it was actually doing. It is still holding up and it is still beading really nicely. So far, I am very pleased with this product. As you can see, it's still really cloudy and everything. We got more rain coming. We wasn't supposed to have rain coming, but we do. But I just wanted to put this quick video out there to show you how well it's doing. Get you over here out of the wind, maybe. Ever since they built that bypass, it has been so much windier. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on the car because it's holding up really well. It has not been washed. It's only been sitting out there baking in the sun and rainstorms. The constant never-ending rain this year. I don't know what's up with it, but it's a nightmare for somebody that doesn't have a carport or garage. But it's just been sitting out there. It has not been washed and it's still holding up that well. To say that I am happy with it is a little bit of an understatement. I mean, that kind of beading, and here we are. Like I said, I've applied it on May 20th and it's June 23rd, so just a little over a month, over 4 weeks so far, and it's still doing that well. I'm happy with it. But I just thought you'd want to see this quick little video. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Maybe another month, who knows.